So we got the RS3. It's breathing nicely through the Venturi carbon fiber intake here. Stock turbo, and then out through Army Tricks downpipe, and then paired up with Miltech full catback. It's pretty nice after 4 grand. It likes to open up, breathe more. And then up front, sitting on stock brakes, paired with HREs and KW Hasket all around. That's it. There's nothing else to it, right?
Jesus. Nice car, man.
We got Dave's R32 in here today, and we're just making intercooler piping. Here's a box of bends, and that little 90 is going to come right off the turbo. It's a little hot to hold right now. Just come up here, you know, this nice transition from 2 to 3 inch. Now come out there, come back down through there, 3 inch. The intercooler back up around. This big hole that somebody already cut, and the throttle button.
Well, you saw that footage of Andrew fabricating this really nice hot pipe up for Dave's R32. Now he's just working on mounting the new intercooler core with the 3 inch inlet and outlet, and then he'll fabricate the cold pipe. Hopefully that'll be done in the next 5 minutes or 10 minutes or so. Okay, sounds good. Thanks, Andrew. I caught your thinking face there for a sec. That was ridiculous.
I know, it was pretty stupid, right?
I don't know if I got that or not.
What, the throw one?
Yeah.
Well, I got 3 more to do, buddy, so you'll see it.
Thanks Garage Tenoshi for the hookup on the MK1s. And thanks Carrie for polishing them up to a practically mirror finish.
Dad! Dad! Dad, there's ice cream, Dad. Dad!